I love the kit that comes with camping. But what do you do with this? Or this? And why do I get Christmas presents like this? But I feel so comforted with just a couple of extras. I came to camping late in life, but 10 years on I'm hooked. Not quiet family holidays, but big international youth camps. But I feel like a fraud. I haven't got the first idea how to build a solar shower, but I know how to use one. So if I volunteer to coordinate a camp, really just delegating jobs to other, more competent people, I can faff about with my clipboard and my lists, and nobody will be any the wiser. There's only one part of my penknife I've ever used. So as long as I don't get asked to do a bushcraft workshop or take the kids out orienteering, my secret will be safe. And what the heck is orienteering anyway?